Good morning from the Khao San Road in Bangkok. We are going to check out from our hotel in Bangkok today as we have our flights to Phuket from the BKK airport or the Suvarnabhumi airport here in Bangkok. It was a very pleasant experience for the last 2 nights here at the capital of Thailand. If you have not seen the videos yet, do check it out. It's in my channel only. So it's almost 5 at the clock in the morning and we have our flights to Phuket at 7:30 am. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video, and if you like the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you. Thank you. As you can see, Bangkok parties throughout the night. It's almost 5 at the clock and still the party is on. Suvarnabhumi Airport. BKK Airport, Suvarnabhumi.
Okay.
How much?
600 baht. How much you pay?
We pay 350 baht,
Huh?
350, 400 baht. So we have reached the Suvarnabhumi airport here in Bangkok, and it took us 30 minutes time to reach. There are two major airports in the capital city of Thailand. One is the Dong Muang airport or the DMK, and second is the Suvarnabhumi airport or BKK. Right now we are at the Suvarnabhumi airport BKK, and this is the newer of the two airports and the bigger one also. So it was a very pleasant experience, as I've already shared with you, at Khao San Road and in Bangkok, to be honest. Do check out the videos, and right now we are going to go and check in for our flight to Phuket. So stay with us. We have collected our boarding passes from the Air Asia counter right here. We also did our web checking before coming to this particular airport. You can always do that from the Air Asia's website.
Today,
So
if
we
any
have reached
visitors
Phuket
on arrival please
International
contact
Airport,
Warsaw
and right now we are
Port
going
again have
straight to
places
the
here.
Patong Beach area. We'll be taking the smart bus, which will cost us 100 baht per head. So let's go. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Enjoy.
Exactly. Take care. Have a good trip.
You too. Thanks, man.
When you reach Phuket, there are a lot of places where you can stay, like Patong Beach, Karon Beach, Kamla Beach, Old Town Phuket, and many other places. There are a lot of ways you can reach these particular places by taxi, or you can book a Grab, and there are other options also, but the cheapest and most affordable way to reach these places are the Phuket Smart Bus, which will cost you 100 baht per head and will take you to the beaches and also the old town in Phuket. But do remember one thing, that the Old Town Phuket bus is a different bus and the bus which takes you to the beaches are different. So before boarding in, do check the number and do ask the localites so that you get the best information from them which bus to take to reach which point. As you can see, from here you will be getting the 100 baht smart bus for Phuket. Yes, Airport Bus Express, 100 baht. Okay. So here are the bus routes given here for the public bus transport in Phuket. Route 1, actually P1, P2, P3 it's been divided in that way along with the timings and the places it will be visiting on the way. So as you can see, we have reached Patong, and right now we are going to find a good hotel or hostel so that we can check in and freshen up before visiting or exploring Patong. It took us almost 20-25 minutes time to find a good hotel, and as you know that I try my best to stay at budget locations, and finally after searching throughout the Bangla Road and nearby places, we found a beautiful hotel which is actually costing us 600 bahts per night for 3 of us. Actually they don't allow more than 2 normally, but we insisted them and negotiated the price from 800 baht to 600 baht. And let me just show you how beautiful this particular room is. The name of the hotel is Deva Kokon, which is just around 500 meters from the Bangla Road. So let me just show you the room. So right now I'm standing at the balcony, and as you can see the hill from here. The Bangla Road is just 500 meters from here, and this is the room. The bed is quite sufficient for 3 of us, and this is the washroom right here. It's quite big, and it's definitely better than what we got in Bangkok and in Pattaya. So the video ends here. I hope you all loved the video. This is actually the best way to come to Phuket from Bangkok, the cheapest way. The bath bus was definitely worth a try, and 100 baht was the total cost per head for the bath bus. It took 50 minutes time to reach Patong city, and after that we started searching for a hotel, and right now we are going to freshen up and see you all in the next video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. Bye bye.